Okay guys, so this is how to make $1 million in 12 months using affiliate marketing or online marketing. So what is the process to be able to generate $1 million or just under $1 million over the next 12 months through referral marketing? Get 11 customers that pays you 7,500 Rand a month, which is roughly about $350, $400 a month, to be able to generate 11 clients, which gives you 82,000 Rand, 82,500 per month, which equates to 990,000, so just under $1 million over the next 12 months if you generate that 11 customers. Now, what is the degree of likelihood that you'll achieve it? Well, how difficult do you think it'll be to get 11 clients over a 12-month period? And especially if you help them with systems, with automation, with building out their funnels, websites, SEO services, lead generation, getting their page ranked on the first page of Google, and then for $7,500 a month, $300 or $400 a month, no brainer. Okay, so that's the theory of it. So let's look at how do we actually make this happen in real life. So affiliate marketing. We've got our social media or existing client base. That is what we're going to use for lead gen source. So you can do anything from paid advertising, organic posting, cold outreach. You can connect with your existing database. You can find them in different groups and networks that you're already part of. Now, one of the keys about affiliate marketing or referral marketing is being able to build up a community where you first generate value, or you first give value to that customers on the community level. And from the community level, you can then move them into lead magnet or conversion event, which then ends up into your affiliate marketing. So this section is specifically set up for Vanix funnels. Just before we do that, just a misconception that a lot of people have is they think that affiliate marketing is you have to have the secret system online source. All it is I'm generating leads for someone else's business or products. I generate the leads, I help them close the deal, but once the deal is done, they do the work and they give me a percentage of the profit for that particular lead that I generated. So it's basically just companies that said, I've got a referral program in place. If you refer me onto someone else, I'll give you a percentage of whatever I sell. So you can do this for local businesses, solar companies, financial service-based companies, any service-based company that's got high margins. Now, the key about this is to find products or services or companies that's got decent profit margins so you can actually generate enough cash flow to be able to supplement your ads section on this particular phase. So now once we've built up the community, the next step is two different places. So if you want to generate a lot of leads, you need to do it in person. Just sitting in person, being able to shake someone's hand just makes a world of difference from credibility perspective, which increases your conversion rate. You can also operate faceless accounts, and faceless accounts, you can generate a lot of traffic, but you need to stack a massive amount of value to be able to simulate the same value that they're going to get from an in-person meeting, but you can do it from a faceless account as well. So what is some of the options for in-person? So this is the things that we are using, and for the guys that's VanX affiliate partners, you can then generate customers to that particular section and they'll get tagged on that, and then from there you make your money when they buy into any upsell. So what is our in-person events that we're currently running? So number one is meetings. We set up meetings with people that we meet at different locations. Referrals, people who's used the system, find value out of the system, then refers us on to someone else that wants to use the system. Now the key about referrals is you need to be able to offer a decent referral fee, otherwise people aren't going to refer you. Partners, who are partners that already has access to the clients that I am looking for, where I can just do a deal with a partner and they'll introduce me to their database or to their network or to their customer base. Online services, so things like Upwork, Freelancer, Safria for the South African version, Upwork. So there's a multitude of different online sources where you can offer certain types of services, AI services, creative, copywriting, funnel building, etc., that people come into your system, and from there you can upsell them into one of the other products or services. Then we run one-day events, so you can send your people to our one-day event, or if you are running your own affiliate marketing program, create a one-day workshop type of thing where you teach people how to do something in their business, whether it be lead generation, Facebook marketing, automation, business strategy, any of those. AI would be a good lead gen pool where you give them massive value in like a one-day training session, most of the time for free or low cost. And from there you can say, okay, those of you that want to continue the journey with me, this is the option to be able to do that. Webinars actually died down during COVID, and I see a lot of people not doing webinars at the moment, but I think it's something that is going to be able to come up in the next probably year. People are going to start moving back to webinars. Parts of the webinars or online stuff is also selling an online program directly, where you can sell a program directly to your audience, and from there create a conversion, $17 or something like that. From there, have an upsell where you add massive value into that first section so that they'll move on to the second section. And then in-person business clubs, where are events or meeting groups where your potential customer hangs out. So if you niche, for example, in the medical space, you go to medical conferences. If you niche in the engineering space, you go into engineering conferences or business clubs or meetups. And from those events, you can start building a relationship and then upsell them into the next process. Now, the other section is our faceless accounts. So this is where we can run ads without our face on it through images, creatives. We run paid advertising on Facebook or Instagram. That then generates a lead to sell them into something small or to create a conversion event where we then upsell them into the next phase. Now, the idea about lead generation or referral marketing or affiliate marketing is we want to sell products to a market that's already buying a product that's already been selling. So, for example, you sell Tony Robbins' books to Tony Robbins' customers, or we want to sell people who are looking to get marketing software to people who already have the marketing software that's selling the software. And I want to create a less frictionless route from customer to product. So I want to make my route easier or more valuable to a route that they were going to follow in any case, and then they just use my route with my affiliate link and buy my product or buy the product, and I get the commission off of that. So some of the stuff that we have is domain funnels. So we sell people a domain valuable package with Facebook training, with automations, with like a whole bunch of stuff that they get additional when registering a domain, because someone who's registering a domain would also be interested in launching online. So we're attracting a pool of potential people, and out of that, 10% of them would then moving into our system or our process to be able to launch their business online. Vanex Lite, so create a smaller version of the package where they can try it out and then upscale to the larger package. Lead magnets that go to an upsell. You've seen this. Get the book. All you have to do is pay for shipping. When you buy that, you go through to an upsell page where they have something else of value. I'm normally the sucker who buys all that stuff. And they upsell you into something else once you get the video or the audio series or whatever. So there's an upsell for something else after you buy the initial product. So you can have free products, or you can have low value products that upsells into a higher value product. Community. Building your own community, which is this part. And then from the community, you can have a faceless community where I'm part of a couple of different affiliate marketing communities, international. I don't even know who runs them. They just gave a lot of value. They had images, goes through to a landing page, massive value in the community. I join the community and there's a whole bunch of stuff that happens in there. But that becomes a collective community where the members give each other value in that process. Next one is ads going directly to an in-person event. So ads, so this can be personal invites, organic, but you can also run paid advertising that goes to any of the in-person events of the person that's going to sell the stuff, which means so this can either be your own, or, for example, a company like us that already runs all of these stuff, you can just generate ads to sell products that they're already selling where people are already buying. And then from there, the upsell happens and that gets linked to your affiliate link. And then 14-day trials. Give the person a bite of the steak. How do you experience what a steak tastes like? Give them a bite. So having like a 14-day trial or test period or some sort of process where they can experience your product to see if it'll work for them and then upsell into the next one. All of this filters down into Vanex Funnels. Now, Vanex Funnels is the affiliate program that we use as a software platform. Why software? Because they pay 40% referral fee and they pay it every single month. Any physical product, you only get a percentage of the sale of the physical product, but you have to sell every month to be able to generate your income. Where software, you get it every single month. So they pay their referral fee. If you refer someone to them, they pay you 40% month one, but then month 2, you don't do any work and you still continue receiving the 40%. So that's why we're choosing software solutions, ClickFunnels, Vanix Funnels, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, Kajabi, all of them give you 40%. Now, if you really want to make money through affiliate marketing, once someone signs up here, you offer a do it with you package or do it for you package. Do it with you, you add on a certain $300 or $3,500, where you do it with them and you help them to launch their funnel, but they still execute most of the work. Or do it for you, where you build out the entire thing for them and they sign a 12-month contract or 24-month contract, where you do all the work up front, but they get to pay it off over time. But now you start making sure that that customer is actually onboarded and that the system works for them and they're generating leads, which means you'll probably get that 40% for the next 4, 5, 10 years. Okay. Now this is where the do it for you package comes in to make your $1 million. 11 clients on a do it for you package, $7,500 a month, you end up with $1 million over 12 months. So what do you need to do? Lead gen, give value, move them down into a different section. They sign up for Vanix Funnels, and from there you start offering additional services to that particular customers if you want to. If you just want to run a sideline income faceless account where you just generate the 40% every single month, you're welcome to do that. That builds up over time and you generate in time 30, 40, 50,000 Rand a month annuity income without having to do any of the work. So guys, the next steps is go and figure out what niche you want to play in, what lead magnets you can use to drive people through to a conversion event, from the conversion event, upsell them into your actual affiliate product. And this is probably the biggest secret, because most people go from here directly to there and they get a very small conversion rate, and the ads are more expensive than what the referral fees on the products itself. So first create transaction events and then upsell into the actual paid event. Cool. Hope that helps. Let me know. Any questions, pop in the comments. Check you soon. Ciao.